Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha. Welcome to Mentoring and More Academy. As a part of this academy, it is my pride to tell you about the importance of mentoring in one's life. See, mentoring basically accelerates the rate of success in your desired field. A mentor helps you to grow and develop as a professional by giving you advices based on his or her more advanced and experienced knowledge. So, the first point is knowledge. Since I already told you that a mentor is a very experienced person in a given field, so he has abundance of knowledge. He can give you specific insights, details, and information regarding your field, which you might not be able to get from your Google searches or which is out of your reach. So, this knowledge will not only help you to make an informed decision about your career, but also can clarify many of your doubts and misconceptions regarding the field, which might lead you to make wrong choices. The next point is goal. Many a times it happens that you might not be able to set a goal, which is by the way completely normal. Many students after schooling or graduation cannot decide what they want to do, and that's where a mentor plays his or her role. A mentor helps you to set a goal in your life by considering all your qualifications, your desires, and most importantly, your potential. Okay, moving on to the third point, which is watchdog. See, in a professional career, it is possible that at some point you might lose track, you get distracted from your goals due to various reasons like monotony, stress, too much work, or any other personal reason. And that's the time when you need somebody to wake you up. And that's what a mentor does. He acts like your watchdog who holds you responsible and accountable for your goals. So, when you realize that there is somebody who is looking at you, watching you, and believes in you, you are motivated. It acts like a motivation, and you get back onto the right track. The fourth point, which is growth and encouragement. Many a times it happens that you might want to choose a career which is difficult or different, and the people who are connected to you, who are around you, might not show the required support and trust in you, and this eventually leads to self-doubt, demotivation, and lots of confusion. And at this point your mentor acts like a source of light in the darkness. He encourages you, motivates you to work towards your goals, to choose whatever you want, right? Despite all the challenges, work hard towards achieving your goals. And trust me, this not only leads to a professional development but a personal development as well. The fifth point, which is connections. Since mentors are experienced professionals, they tend to have a good source of network in a particular field. So once you tell them about what you want to do in your particular field and what are your goals, they can connect you to the potential opportunities or individuals who can help you meet them. And trust me, all these connections are highly valuable for your career advancement. Number 6, guidelines. If you're somebody who has just started his or her career, you need mentorship guidelines to meet professional expectations. Since you do not have a working experience, so a mentor guides you about the same. They tell you about the priorities of roles, proper workspace behavior, and how to perform effectively and more productively to impress your supervisors. Yes. And the final point, which is the seventh point, feedback. See, to be honest, it's a selfish world out there. Nobody is going to be completely honest with you with whatever you are doing in your professional field. So, a trusting mentorship relationship here enables honest feedback, which is absolutely important, very necessary. because you also know that the aim of your mentor's constructive criticism is your professional growth, to build you, to make you grow. With that, we have come to the end of the video. So these were the 7 crucial points why mentorship is so important. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.